Last na ito, bali 5 pieces lang ang aking nagawa dito sa boiled mashed potatoes pancake. So turn off na natin ang flame. Ito maganda ang ang pagkaluto, hindi masyado sunog. Pero okay lang 'yon, makakakain naman yung yung first. Hindi naman masasayang. Assalamualaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah for another day. Today is January 20 and today is Monday and time now in Pakistan is 8:20 a.m. So today morning I am going to make again new recipe. So these are all the ingredients: boiled potatoes. If you have sweet potatoes, then it's much better. But in our place, we don't have available sweet potatoes here. So I use substitute these potatoes. And I have this oil, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg. If you have more egg, then you can add 2 or 3 eggs. And I have this evaporated milk pack, but I use only 1/4 or 1/4 cup of this evaporated milk and 1 cup of all-purpose flour and sugar. First, we are going to mash this one like this. I already mashed it. By the way, shout out to Anonymous family who send these items, baking items, and also this one, cups, baking cups, and more items she sent. So thank you so much. Ito nagagamit ko na yung mga pinadala niya. So ito, nilagay ko na ang 1 egg, and then cooking oil. If you have butter, then much better, but I don't have butter or homemade butter. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then sugar and flour. Now we have to mix together. And milk. This is 250 ml, but I will not use all this one because I will add more some water here. So this is enough. Now we have to mix, put now water like this. Now we have to mix well. I put little oil here. So oil is already hot. If you have butter, then you can put also butter. Pahiran nyo itong pan. So ito na yung butter. So ilagay na natin dito isang yan, isang cup. And then scatter natin. Dagdagan ko pa. Ayan, lutuin natin ng ilang minuto para maluto, and then ibabaliktad natin ito. Simple lang naman itong aking paggawa ng mga kung ano yung available ko dito sa aking bahay, sa aking kusina, ay yun aking niluluto. Ayan, nabaliktad ko na, kaya lang medyo sunog yata, pero okay lang. So, tanggalin na natin, lagay na natin dito sa plate. Ayan, nag-broke na. Pang third na ito mas okay ito kaysa dito. Pero it's okay. Kasi naman, pangkain lang namin. Hindi naman ito pang commercial. So, meron pa siguro 2 ito, 3. Ayan, mag-almusal tayo ng potato pancake. Ito na yung aking ginawa. At saka ito naman yung black coffee. Ayan, partner ang black coffee. So, kain tayo ng breakfast. Kakaibang aking breakfast ngayon. Wala kasing ano dito, yung sweet potato, yung kamote. Meron sa ibang lugar, sa city, sa Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Karachi. Kasi ano, medyo Karachi meron marami. Kaya lang dito sa aking lugar, ano may nagtatanim doon sa Islamabad, Rawalpindi, sa ibang lugar. Dito sa aking lugar, wala, hindi pa ako nakapagtanim dito. Kung may ano sana maitatanim, pwede siguro kasi potatoes nabubuhay dito eh. So instead na kamote ang aking ginawang pancake ay patatas. So ayan, kain tayo ng almusal. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Mm. Sarap.